Right, today we're going to extend the wipe script to erase MMC disks and drives. Well, drives. The wipe script was described in parts 20 and 21, and we're going to extend it, and first of all I'm going to demonstrate it. So we'll just have a look at what's on the disk at the moment. And you can see that the last byte, that's the 511th byte of the first sector is A55, which means the disk is bootable. So there's something on it, and we'll wipe it. And we're going to erase the MMC device. Okay, and it's finished successfully. So just go back and have a look and have another look at the disk. All zeros. So that's a successful wipe using the firmware. Now we'll see in the script that the firmware is not always implemented consistently. So it is worth checking that the disk actually has been wiped after you finish with it. So let's have a look at the code. So as you saw in the previous part of the video, we use MMC to actually do the wiping of these MMC drives, and the best tool is mmc-utils, which is available from here, GitHub, and this creates this. Well, this will give you the latest version of the MMC program. So download it. Just code, download a zip into downloads, and you'll get this, which is obviously straight off the GitHub. So it needs to be made. Well, you need to make it, which is very quick. Just type make, and it'll use the make file. And now you find, we should find, yeah, there you go, MMC, which is the executable. So let's just have a look at. Yeah, there's the help file, and in there we have erase. Now erase will, it's slightly awkward, needs a start address and the end address, so you need to work out where the last sector of the device is, which you'll see in the code. And it can do legacy and secure erase. The other ones are very similar to legacy, trim and discard and things like that, so those are the two that we use. And I'll show you the code next. So the first change is to the erase script, because we need to avoid running this part of the code for MMC devices. This part of the code uses hdparm, there we are, uses hdparm to figure out the erase time, print that, and also the type, which you could select secure erase or enhanced secure erase. So we skip that, and then in the actual wipe part we pick up if the drive is an MMC type. We get the model number slightly differently. Here's where I tried experiments some time ago to predetermine what, whether the thing would support secure erase or legacy, but hex type always seems to return the same type, which is hex 9, so that wasn't a lot of use. So the most rigorous way of doing it is to try it. Now it's very quick, the secure erase, because as you know it's not actually writing a 0, it's just sort of sending a pulse to the memory which does its own clear. So it's very quick, and if it fails it'll return 127, in which case we try legacy, and if that fails, which is, it is possible, we display fail using this script here, which has fail, so it's obvious that something else needs to be done to the drive. So that's all there is to the changes in the script, which will be in the comments and on the GitHub. Okay, thank you.